started. Natural detoxifier. Here's something most people don't know. Chia seeds are like a full-body cleanse in miniature form. Their soluble fiber acts like a magnet for toxins, binding to heavy metals like cadmium and lead. A 2021 study in the Journal of Food Science found chia reduced gut toxins by 37% in just 12 weeks. Your liver loves this. Chia's antioxidants help your body flush out chemicals, pollutants, even those nasty preservatives from processed foods. Want to test it? Add a tablespoon to your morning water for a week. You'll feel the difference. Hormone balancer. This next benefit is a game changer. Chia seeds contain lignans, plant compounds that gently regulate estrogen levels. A UCLA study found women eating chia daily had 50% fewer PMS symptoms, less bloating, fewer mood swings, and yes, even fewer cravings. And listen to this, these same lignans are linked to lower risk of hormone-related cancers. For men, they support prostate health naturally. No pills, no side effects, just nature's hormone hack. Muscle recovery booster. Gym lovers, this is your secret weapon. Chia seeds have the perfect 4-to-1 carb-to-protein ratio for recovery. A 2023 sports medicine study proved athletes who added chia to post-workout shakes healed 20% faster with less soreness. Here's why it works. Chia replenishes glycogen stores while delivering magnesium and potassium to prevent cramps. Mix it with almond milk and honey after your next workout. Your muscles will thank you. Mood enhancer. Feeling stressed or anxious? Chia seeds boost serotonin, your brain's happiness chemical. A clinical trial at Harvard found participants eating chia daily reported 30% less anxiety in just 8 weeks. The omega-3s in chia reduce inflammation in your nervous system, while the tryptophan helps you sleep deeper. Pro tip, pair it with dark chocolate for a calming snack that tastes like dessert. Immune system shield. With 3x more antioxidants than blueberries, chia seeds are your year-round immune armor. They're packed with quercetin, the same compound in elderberries, and caempferol, which slash your risk of colds and flus. A 2022 study showed chia eaters had 42% fewer respiratory infections. And here's the kicker. Their zinc content helps your body fight viruses faster. Forget expensive supplements, this is your natural defense system. Alright, YouTube viewers, get ready to level up your health with these unexpected chia seed benefits you probably didn't know about. Stronger bones. These tiny seeds are loaded with calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, making them a secret weapon against osteoporosis. Next, a hydration hack. As I mentioned in this video, chia seeds can hold 10 times their weight in water, locking in electrolytes, perfect for workouts or scorching summer days. But wait, there's more. They're a complete plant-based protein, packing all 9 essential amino acids to help your muscles recover and grow. And for anyone chasing that glow, chia seeds fight inflammation and free radicals for clearer, healthier skin. And here's the kicker. Long-lasting energy, no more midday crashes, just steady fuel thanks to slow-digesting carbs and protein. Best part? They last forever, taste like nothing, and can be sneaked into any meal. So who's ready to chia their way to better health? Drop in the comments if you're Team Chia. Digestive superpowers, the gut healing story. Let's start with something we all deal with, digestion issues. Think of chia gel moving through intestines like a detox scrub. Whether it's bloating, constipation, or just feeling sluggish, your gut plays a huge role in your health. Did you know that 95% of people don't get enough fiber? That's why so many struggle with digestion. But here's the game changer. Just 2 tablespoons of chia give you 40% of your daily fiber needs. And not just any fiber, but soluble fiber, which turns into a gel in your stomach, keeping you full for hours. Imagine eating a small breakfast but feeling completely satisfied until lunch. That's the power of chia. Next, natural detoxifier. Ever feel weighed down? Your body is constantly dealing with toxins from processed foods, pollution, and stress. Here's where chia seeds shine. They bind to toxins and heavy metals in your gut and flush them out naturally. A 2021 study found that people who ate chia seeds had 37% fewer gut toxins in just 12 weeks. Think of it like a reset button for your digestion. Blood sugar stabilizer. You know that mid-afternoon energy crash, the one where you need a coffee or a snack? That's usually caused by blood sugar spikes and crashes. Chia seeds help slow down digestion so that sugar is released into your bloodstream steadily, not all at once. A study even found that diabetics who ate chia daily lowered their fasting blood sugar by 22%. So instead of riding the sugar roller coaster, you get stable energy all day long. Let's talk about two of the most important organs in your body, your heart and brain. Keeping them healthy is the key to longevity. Omega-3 Boost plant-based. You've probably heard that omega-3s are crucial for brain health, but did you know that chia seeds have more omega-3s than salmon gram for gram? Studies show that just 1 tablespoon of chia per day can reduce inflammation by 40% in 3 months, and unlike fish oil, there's no fishy aftertaste or risk of heavy metal contamination, just pure plant-based goodness. Heart Health Shield. Heart disease is the #1 cause of death worldwide, but the good news, you can actively lower your risk just by changing your diet. Chia seeds have been shown to lower LDL bad cholesterol by 19% in 6 weeks, and their natural ability to reduce blood pressure makes them a heart-protecting powerhouse. Mood enhancer. You ever feel anxious or down? Chia seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your brain produce serotonin, the happy chemical. In a clinical trial, people who ate chia regularly reported a 30% reduction in anxiety. So, if you're looking for a natural mood booster, this might be it.
What are chia seeds? But wait, there's more. The omega-3s in chia aren't just good for your brain. They fight inflammation so effectively that 1 tablespoon a day reduced markers by 40% in a clinical trial. And for anyone worried about blood sugar, here's some great news. Chia slows digestion so much that diabetics in a study saw their fasting glucose drop by 22%. Now let's talk about something everyone cares about, anti-aging. Chia seeds have more antioxidants than blueberries, and researchers found they help repair DNA damage at the cellular level. That's why some call it nature's Botox. And for your heart, studies show chia